Welcome to our today's session. Today we're gonna learn that how to find distance between points. We'll learn distance formula to calculate the distance between points. Do you feel difficulty while dealing with points on coordinate axis? If yes, then start with me to clear all these concepts. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and Assalam O Alikum. I'm Engineer Hira Naz from Tutoring Academy. Let's move to the topic, and that is to calculate distance between points. We use distance formula to calculate the distance between points. And the formula is D, that is distance between the points, is equals to square root of sum of x2 minus x1 whole square and y2 minus y1 whole square. We use this formula to find the distance between points on coordinate axis, where x1 and y1 are the values of first point and x2 and y2 are the values of second point. Let us apply this formula on an example where 2 points P and Q are given. So here 1 is our x1 and 0 is our x2, 2 is here y1 and 3 is here y2. Now put these values in the formula. So we can denote this as PQ. We can denote this as the distance PQ because we are going to find out the distance between the point P and the point Q. So we put the values as x2 minus x1. So you can see here x2 minus x1. Here is x2, that is 0, minus x1, that is 1, and its whole square, plus y2, that is here 3, minus y1, that is here 2, and its whole square with square root. So you can simplify them further as 0 minus 1, that is minus 1 whole square, plus 3 minus 2, that is 1 whole square. Now you can see here, as we know, even power absorbs negative sign. So we can say here power absorbed the sign. So we have here 1 square plus 1 square. And we know square of 1 is always 1. Square of 1 is always 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2. So our distance between the points P and Q is under root 2. So here the distance between the point P and Q is square root of 2. Let me recall this whole process. Whenever you are given some points and you are asked to find out the distance between them, what you have to do? You have to apply distance formula. From the given points, you have to identify that which one is your first point and which one is your second point. The values of x and y from the first point are x1, y1, and the values of second point are x2, y2. So you have to just apply formula and put the values in the formula, and you have to just simplify to get your answer. That is the distance between your points. Understand? That's all for today. Hope you enjoyed learning with me. See you soon in the next video. Stay safe and healthy. Allah Hafiz.